Okay, so this is Friday's exit ticket question number 1. I'm going to share my screen. I probably don't need to tell you that every single time, do I? All right, there we go. The question is, after a deposit of $100, a withdrawal of 125, deposit of 24, the balance in Aiden's savings account was 2728. What was the balance before the deposits and withdrawals? Okay. So you're looking for B, the before, okay? And so you know that his current balance, right, that he has right now for all this other stuff happened is 2728, okay? So 2728, and you want to take away 24, and you want to add 125, and you want to take away 100, okay? Now, I'm doing it backwards, right? Because I started with a positive number here. This might be easier to explain the other way around. But let me just show you it this way first, okay? So I'm saying that to get down to this number, you know what? Let me do it the other way around because I think this is confusing, I think. So how this would work out is you can take away 100 from 125, right? And make that plus 25. And you can take away the 24 from this and make that plus 1. And so your answer is 28, 28, okay? So that's the answer we're going to. Let me do it the other way around, which I think might be easier for you guys to understand. Okay. So text, there we go. So what was the balance before all the deposits and withdrawals? So you're looking for this mystery number. So balance before. So we had a balance, all right? And we added $100 and we took away 125 and we added 24 and that equaled 2728, okay? I don't know if you guys know how to do this yet. When you have things on both sides of the equation, but I'll pretend you know how to do it, and hey, maybe you'll learn something. So whatever you do to this side, if you do it to both sides, it's as if it never happened, right? So if I have 6 cats equals 6 cats, right? And I add 1 to both sides to make it 7 equals 7. As long as I've added 1 to both sides, the equation is still balanced, okay? It still equals is still working, right? So if I take away 3 from here, or take away 2 from here, right? I've got a 5. I've got to take away 2 from this side too. If I do that, boom. Let's say I want to add 2 to this side, right? But I don't add the same thing. I only add 1 here. Uh-oh. Now this equation is not balanced, okay? So that's just to say that whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other side as well, okay? And then that the equation is still balanced. So here's our equation, b plus 100 plus 125 plus 24 equals 2724. If I want to take away this $100 here, so if I want to say, take away that $100, get that off of this side, I'm trying to get this b all by itself. So if I take that off, I also have to take off 100 over here, okay? So this is why the first time I did negative 100 instead of positive 100, okay? If I want to get rid of this negative 125 on this side to get the b alone, I have to add 125 to it, right? And now that's gone. But I also got to add that 125 on this side, so the equation is still balanced, okay? I want to get rid of this 24 over here, just take it off. Boom, it's gone. Subtract 24 from that positive 24, put a negative 24 in there, it's gone. But I also have to take that 24 off of this side, all right? So now my equation is b equals 27, 24, minus 100, minus 125, minus 24, okay? So that's how I got to the original one where I had the opposites of what I was doing. I hope that makes sense. Maybe I taught you something you didn't know. Maybe you guys knew this though. But you want to keep the equations balanced. Okay. I could be in trouble.